Hello everybody. So today we have a very interesting job. Yeah, I got a parcel from a very well-known company. Yep. I don't want to show the whole name. I just want to see. Maybe you guys can recognize. Oh, let me just turn on the light here. Yeah, that's it. Don't want to show more. That's it. I got a job. It's good. Thank you very much for that. First of all, to be approaching me in this kind of job, but this is a really typical job because this laptop is a very sensitive laptop, and I'll show you what it is. So just move the camera here. I got a parcel. Let me get the parcel here somewhere. Okay. It's a tiny HP laptop. And the model number is, let me turn on the light. It's a 360 convertible laptop, model number 14CD007ca. The thing what happened, see, look at this, if you just realize the tapes, and they send me the hinges, but if you just look at this, let me just open nicely. This has already been, this is a touchscreen laptop without hinges, but look at the screen. It's very tiny, very sensitive. We have to done this job, but very careful because this is really sensitive job. We had to take out the screen and put the hinges there. Let's begin the job. Touch wood, should be good. So this one is normally have the locks here under this and the locks of all over the screen. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just taking out this because this is a convertible, so we can just flip it because there's a screen, also the cable here. So hold from here in this side. So we have to start from here and then had to push a little bit, and there we had to be take care and then go to all the way. Yeah, here you maybe heard the voice, and then all the way there, hold somewhere with the plastic, and then here you go. So careful with this. Oh wow. Okay, here you go. So I'm gonna do what? I'm just taking out this. Okay, I just put this here. And oh my god. So see, even here the hinges are broken. The main base of that also broken. See, there's a screws points here, but here there's nothing. Let's turn on the light. This is so, I think you can see now clearly. Yeah, this is broken as well. So this both are okay, but the third one is not good. Okay, so we have to do this. Take this put away, and then we have to be. So there's no screws, but now this fitting we have to made it. Otherwise it will be not sustain there for so long, the screws and then have to make a base. The base is damaged, so we had to make a base first, otherwise it will be with the screen again. I think I should need this job for a while because it cannot be completed at the moment. I have to make this screw bases first and then I can add the screen, otherwise the screen will be damaged again, so this is not good, it's expensive. So I just nicely close this. Yeah, okay. So we will be continue this job later on. Let me base because this base need time. Yeah, maybe around 1 day. And one more thing is here. I don't see the camera also missing here. I don't know what the guys did. It is without camera even. And there's no camera also. Anyways, we will continue. We will continue this job like this is. We can't fix it at the moment on the spot. As I do usually, I just open the job and do in front of you guys, whatever it is. I have to wait. I have to make this inches. I have to make the base, and then I have to be continue this job. Should be the part 2. Take care of yourself. Bye now.